Good morning guys! Welcome sa aking channel. Char. Good morning po here in UAE and good afternoon po dyan sa Philippines. Umaga na naman po and ayan, ating nakasanayang routine which is to make coffee for myself. Ayan po. 3-in-1 na kape pero pinagdagan ng milk and sugar. Anyway, dahil until now ay bakasyon pa rin, so kailangan natin mag-ipon ng energy para pagdating ng pasukan ay we have more energy, we have more power to do our job and our